Have you ever noticed how checking into a hotel is like stepping into a mini adventure? The moment you walk in, you're greeted by the aroma of fresh coffee and crisp linens, and there's that person at the front desk, the gatekeeper to your temporary realm. You hand over your reservation and, just like that, you're the monarch of your own royal suite. At least, that's the dream if you've splurged for a room with a view.
Haha, right? It's almost like a rite of passage. Does everyone feel that way, or is it just me? I get this mix of excitement and nerves. And what if I ask for something completely wild, like a room made of chocolate? Do you think they'd take me seriously?
You know, there are definitely some hotels out there that might entertain even the wildest requests. But imagine asking for a mountain view and getting the look of a weary traveler. It's like expectation versus reality. Like when you expect a chocolate on your pillow and just find a plain mint. That's where all the emotions come from.
Yes. Can you imagine if they put a pancake instead of a mint on your pillow? Would I even notice? Chuckles. But like seriously, how do hotels figure out their prices? Is there a secret formula based on the view or, like, the carpet color or something?
Oh, I love that thought. It's like a pricing formula that factors in the view, amenities, the color scheme. Almost like dating, we see the surface. But what's beneath really counts. You ever book a room thinking it's gonna be basic, only to find it's like sleeping on clouds?
Haha, the clouds. So comfy. But, what if those clouds came with extra fees for premium fluffiness? Laughs. It's just so strange. And why is there such a thing as strict checkout times? Who decided 11 a.m. was the magic hour?
Exactly. It's that rude awakening back to reality. Maybe you're lounging, recovering from last night's escapades, and then BAM! You've got to leave. But that strict timing gives hotels time to clean for the next guest. Wouldn't it be great if checkout was like, take all the time you need? Like an endless brunch invitation?
Yes, an everlasting brunch. When can we sign up? Oh, and did you hear about that hotel with a rooftop pool? I mean, rooftop pools are already legendary, but what if it has slides and cabanas? Is that all just hype? Or are we falling for those glamorous Instagram posts? Giggles.
Those gorgeous Instagram photos can be so misleading. You expect paradise, and then realize it's packed with people and the water's a little murky. But if you can find that magical rooftop with a drink in hand and music playing, totally worth it.
Haha, who doesn't want a drink and music while splashing around? And what's up with these Wi-Fi passwords? Is there a mystical element to them? Why is it always a bizarre string of numbers? Is it for security or just hotel humor?
Ah, yes. The classic 1234 password. It's a cozy little joke, isn't it? Some places take it super seriously. Can you imagine a fancy hotel giving you a password that sounds like a spell from Harry Potter? That would definitely add to the magic of the experience.
Ooh, I'd love that. Accio Wi-Fi. Like, can you summon the signal? Speaking of hotels, I always wonder about those laundry services. They put a laundry bag in the closet. Do they really need to ask if I want fresh towels? Who doesn't want a towel fresh out of the dryer? What's the logic behind that? Laughs.
Well, it's all about being considerate. Some guests might want to savor their laundry-free moment. Imagine a world where your dirty laundry is someone else's chore. It's quite luxurious.
Totally. It's like a mini vacation from chores, almost like self-care. But what if someone makes a unique request, like, please return my socks folded into origami swans? What do you think would happen? Would the hotel staff roll their eyes or get creative?
Oh, I can totally see them brewing with excitement, waiting for that challenge. Let's make a swan. It could set a new trend. Laughs. They might even end up posting it on their social media feeds. But it's the little experiences that pamper us, you know? Every hotel moment becomes part of our adventure story.
Right. So, what's the most mind-blowing hotel story you've got? Something totally unforgettable? Spill the tea. Laughs.